Got another one for you today. Oh, we got some bootleg Badbatch characters. Let's get into this. Got Crosshair. Got Wrecker. Got Tech. And Hunter. Even though they're not, the official Legos, they look pretty decent. Maybe the coloring is off on some of these guys. Maybe some of them got the wrong weapons, but they don't look half bad. The coloring looks pretty decent. Little details like that. It's pretty cool. What I paid for it, it's not bad. It's be going up on my shelf. Nice little representation of the characters. So these are figures how they look from behind. They look pretty cool. Details on them, kind of nice. Alright, so these guys' faces look nothing like on the cartoon, but it's not bad. I like the detail on the helmets. If I can focus right. So we're missing Echo, but I'll probably end up see if I can find them online, so I can actually have the whole pack. Maybe I can find Omega a little later, but not bad. These guys look pretty cool. Not bad at all. I think it's a pretty cool purchase. Thank you for watching this review of the Badbatch from eBay. Like I said, I've only spent a couple of bucks for them, but they look pretty cool. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of 2021, and I'm halfway there. If you leave me a comment, which one of these characters look the best, which one of these characters look the worst in your opinion. All right, have a great one. Thanks for watching. Peace.